Howdy-ho everybody, welcome to 54 Nights RV. We're taking a look at the Forest River Forester 2291. It's 24.5 foot long Class C RV. Got a nice old booth dinette right there. Glass top stove. The TV swings out over the overhead bunk.
Typical C.
Yeah.
We seem obsessed with televisions.
Yeah,
We've said
we
before, but we like to watch football when we're not at football games during football season. So.
Yeah. It's pretty close to your standard Class C layout, really, with the corner bed and the bath back there. It's got a good sized bathroom with a decent shower in it. A little shelf there to put your stuff when you're parked. There's a rear window there at the back of the bed, and then another window right here. So
lots of scenery while you're laying in bed reading or whatever.
Awesome. And of course the bed's shaved off on the corner, so it's not like your standard mattress.
The short person sleeps on the right.
Yeah. That closet is cedar lined, or it's got a cedar laminate on the back of it. I don't know. I didn't even smell cedar when I opened it, but it's, glass top stove there, the three-way fridge.
When you're making bacon, it's not going to splatter all over your couch like a lot of C's where the couch are right beside your stove.
Yeah. Little oven there. It's really a nice layout for a Class C. Got storage, plenty of storage in there for the size of the coach. The sink cover, I don't know if you can really see that in this video, but it was really pretty thin. I have to wonder if it's going to break somewhere down the road just because you leave it the wrong place. But
the upside was it was light.
Yeah. So what'd you think of it, boss?
Well, most of the ones that we filmed on this particular show we liked. I liked it. It's a Class C. Like we mentioned, the TV's in a weird place. It's small. You can put another TV in the bedroom. I don't think it came with one, but there are hookups for another TV in the bedroom.
Yeah.
There's actually quite a bit of floor space for it being a fairly small camper.
Yeah, less than 25 foot long. My gosh, you could probably park it in a regular parking spot somewhere. If you're looking for a Class C, for everything I don't like about Forest River products, they do well in the Class C market as far as their floor I have I've always been impressed with the floor plans in their Class C's. I feel like they do a better job of laying things out than most other companies do. It's the only difference between a Forest River Class C and a Fleetwood Class C is what's built on top of that same Ford chassis or Chevy chassis. They also use Chevy chassis on them, but I like it. I like the windows in the bedroom. Lot of you could open up those things and get you a good breeze going through. It'd be almost like camping in the pop-up again.
Yeah, and you've got the scenery on two different sides.
Yeah. Anywho, I guess that's it for that real short walkthrough. A lot of these walkthroughs we're doing are short. We're doing them at an RV show. It's difficult to get out and poke our heads into all the underbay storage, and then if one of them is popular, then people are coming in and out, so it's hard for us to actually narrate while we're filming the coach. But I hope you've enjoyed what we've shown so far. There'll be more to come. We've got another RV show coming up, so if you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And if we can't answer them, well, that's too bad. But, we'll try. Anywho, give it a like if you liked it. Don't if you don't. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff and our adventures in the RV. We'll catch y'all down the road.
Bye.